We're in Lewes. Now, we're in Lewes in Sussex. For those who don't know, who live way away across the sea, the biggest bonfire night is in Lewes, the biggest in the UK, and it's all to celebrate a chap called Guy Fawkes in 1605 who tried to blow up the English Parliament. However, why Lewes? Nobody's really sure, but it has become a thing. It's possibly because it was one of the first capitals of England. We don't know for sure, so don't quote me. But it is the biggest event anywhere in the UK to celebrate November the 5th. So me and my best mate Dahlia went out on the town. It literally lasted for 24 hours and more, but it was awesome. We also did a lot of sightseeing around Lewes, so I hope you enjoy. Actually found someone who does know what they're talking about. So why Lewes? Tell me about the Protestants.
Well, you know, Bonfire, November the 5th, nationally, it tends to be about Guy Fawkes and the Gunpowder Plot. But in Lewes, and perhaps this is why it's a bigger deal in Lewes, it's more about the 17 Protestant martyrs who were burned at the stake during Reformation days. So there is still, there's been this anti-Catholic, anti-popery tradition, which is just a tradition and is not really, you know, there's no real prejudice against Catholics, I don't think, personally. But this is my personal opinion. I'm not an authority.
Well, I've tried to get into the Anne of Cleves house on many visits to Lewes, but this time we actually succeeded. Come with us. No, I'm not shopping again. I'm in the Anne of Cleves house, one of Henry VIII's ex-wives. In Lewes, this was her house, although she didn't live here. Look at this stunning room. This was the bedroom. Here we are in a twitten. Oops, I can hardly walk. Lewes is full of beautiful little lanes and old houses. Shopping! This is Popsicle. If you're in Lewes, you should come here. Shopping. And look at these coats. I nearly bought one, but the fit wasn't quite right. But I did, sorry about jokiness, buy one of these, but in a very pale pink. Great little shop. It's in, I've shown it to you before, needle makers. Do you remember when I came here and it was this gorgeous coat in the window, but the shop was closed? Anyway, it's open today, so I've been able to pick up my not sold pre-loved clothes and a little check, and the coat is still for sale. But sadly, or fortunately, depending on which way you look at it, there it is. It's too small for me. Probably why it hasn't been sold. Anyway, that's the rest of the shop. It's actually got some really good pre-loved gear in it. So another stop for you in Lewes. There's my friend Dahlia. Wave. So that's the way I order everyone. Wave. Smile. Oh, let's see my candles before.
They're getting packaged
So
away.
these are Ecos. Are they soya?
Yes. And they're made locally in Shoreham.
Such a pretty shop. We are now in a lockdown mode at Lewes. At noon for Bonfire Night. Shops are closing, shops are being boarded up, and the traffic will soon be banned from the area. Oh, are you getting wristbands?
No. What did you think of Lewes and Bonfire Night? It was immense. I've never been to anything like it in my life. Now, the secret is, if you ever want to come to Bonfire Night, it's become very much a locals thing because of crowding and security and all the usual malarkey. So they don't have many trains, there's no parking. As you saw, the town goes into total lockdown, which we found very exciting. But my top tip is, especially if you want a little break, is to book a year in advance. So that's the November before, obviously after Bonfire Night. Book a hotel, they're only a couple, a year in advance. You have to stay 2 nights, which was wonderful. And then you get time for some history, some sightseeing, shopping, and all the things that we so enjoy doing. We were also very lucky with the weather. So thank you for watching. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. Please comment below. I love hearing from you. Meanwhile, quick update on the face. It's just over 2 weeks. I think it's looking very good around here. I'm very, very pleased with it around there. This needs a little bit more work. I'm going back for my 2nd treatment this week, so I'll let you know. Meanwhile, I'm carrying on with the collagen drinks. It can only help. And I've also been given some lovely products from Elizabeth Arden, which include a serum, mild retinol, and vitamin C, 1 for night, 1 for day. So I'm using those as well, so I will report back. So thanks for joining me. Oh, there's the dog. Must be the postman. I'll see you very soon.